Shelby Drive, look alive, niggas came up on this side, now they on the other side. Oh well, fuck them dawg, we gon' see how hard they ride. I get racks to go outside, and I spit it with the dot.
Hey loyalty gang, so I know I'm looking like Angel Mama right now, but your girl's definitely about to get, you know, fixed up and everything for the day. I just want to come tap in real quick and just, you know, let you guys know what was going on. Of course, you guys saw what I did previously. You know, I worked out, I got up, made my bed, I drank a protein shake. Now I am about to go ahead and take me a good shower so I can get clean and get ready for the day. And then I'm gonna do a few business things, so make sure you guys stay
tuned. Power on. Bluetooth pairing. Bluetooth connect. This party in Chicago. She ain't waiting to me. Giving me close. It's still on the beat. How much it costs? It never been cheap.
Hey guys, I am back. As you guys can see, your girl is clean and I'm looking good. Got myself together, okay? All the way together, all right? But yeah, right now, for my day, to start off my day, I am gonna go ahead and eat something because I have not ate anything. I am doing intermittent fasting, and basically I'm doing the 12-8 method, meaning I fast for 12, I think it's 18-8, I don't know, whichever one it is. but if I'm wrong, my bad. But I know I only eat within an 8-hour window between the hours of 12 noon and 8 p.m. So I don't eat past 8. I don't eat before 12. Right now it is 2:12. I don't know if you guys can see that, the glare. But yeah, it is about 2:12 right now in the afternoon, and I still haven't eaten anything. The only thing I've consumed is a protein shake. So I'm gonna go ahead and eat something, and so I can get myself, you know, get a little more energy in me. And then I'm gonna go ahead and get started on some business things, maybe run an errand or two. But yeah, I'm just gonna go ahead and just take you guys along with me on my day as a girl boss. You know what I'm saying? I be doing my thing. I mean, every day is different, so you know. But I do know today I do need to pack an order, and I also need to count my inventory as well, because I need to make sure everything is, you know, lined up and everything like that with my inventory. So I'm gonna do that, and yeah. So my food just finished warming up. I just want to go ahead and show y'all what I was eating. It really ain't nothing spectacular, y'all, for real. Like I literally am just eating leftovers from last night. I had made some dirty rice last night, so I'm eating about a cup of dirty rice, and I'm eating a baked pork chop. I'm not gonna lie, I'm really supposed to be cutting out pork, but it literally was like one of the only other meats that was in there, because I need to make groceries really bad right now. So, you know, we had to eat. I had to cook for my family last night. So I went ahead and I made some baked pork chops and dirty rice. So I'm gonna go ahead and show y'all that. So yeah, this is it, you guys. Like I said, nothing spectacular. This is what my first meal of the day is going to be for today. And while I am eating, I am going to watch a show that I've been into lately called Love is Blind. I am on the 4th season of season 4, episode 11, where they're like they're going to the altar right now and trying to see if they're gonna say yes or no. So that's kind of like where I'm at on season 4, and I still gotta watch season 5, so I'm trying to catch up. But that is what I'm watching. So yeah, y'all, that is it. So I'm gonna pretty much catch y'all after I finish eating, and when I get ready to get into my business stuff and running my errands and all of that good jazz. So see y'all later.